Recently, I've switched from Android to Apple, and this allowed me the opportunity of being able to compare Android Auto versus Apple CarPlay. Many of the Apple enthusiasts will not like what I have to say, but look at these comparisons side by side and you will see that, especially on aftermarket head units, Android Auto and the Android head unit are able to work much better one with the other. First thing that I will guide you through is the fact that you're able to move the maps on Waze quite easily. You have the possibility of zooming in, zooming out, recentering, and the integration with apps like Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube Music is much better. Also, when you are navigating, I've noticed in the app in Waze, you're able to get speed camera warnings, while on Apple CarPlay you're not able to do that. Okay, now no platform is perfect, no platform is without the possibility of improving. However, for some reason, I might be biased, but Android Auto is running smoother than Apple CarPlay. Now, I will switch to the other one. Now, we have the layout from Apple CarPlay, which doesn't allow you to do zoom in, zoom out. Apple CarPlay seems not to be able to make use of a big screen. They are much better with regards to image quality. So all of the graphics, all of the things that I've seen on the map are very well done, but you will find yourself having difficulties in doing very custom things. Also, one of the key improvements that I've noticed with Apple CarPlay is that on the map, Apple is placing your vehicle a little bit ahead of its actual position. Or by comparison, if I compare Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, my vehicle and the map is refreshed more. In the past, with the Android Auto, I was finding myself next to an intersection where I needed to do left or right, and I was behind. The map was showing me further away. With Apple CarPlay, I'm closer to that point and I'm able to navigate much better. These were a few of the observations. Also, sound intensity is different on an Apple device versus on the Android Auto. I find myself having to go in the menu of the tablet, select volume and adjusting it from here because the sound is not where it should be. Maybe these observations are allowing you to choose, if you have the opportunity, or at least make best use of the devices that you have in front of you. Additional content about these things can be seen here and there. If you want to work with me, contact details are available in the description. Thank you for watching. Tell me what opinions you have about Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and I will be seeing you in the next one.